planes here. Nobody gives a fuck. Look at that one. Just looking at my planes. Look at this one. That's supposed to be a brake. Those flashing lights are supposed to be a brake. How are you supposed to know it's a brake? Sorry, I couldn't help it. I nearly gave myself an enema. Don't stop. We're checking into the Gilgit flight. But we come here a bit early. We were assuming 2 hours before, and turns out that it's not quite 2 hours before. But it is the new airport. It's not bad actually. It's just that the new airport's in Islamabad and the old airport is in Rawalpindi. Here you can see the planes. But anyway, I'm gonna have a fag. I'm gonna suffer. I know I'm gonna suffer. I ain't gonna be able to fucking walk up no mountain. Shit, right, boarded. Still boarding. Inside. It's exciting, isn't it? You can see the aeroplanes there. So we're gonna take this for a spin. Yeah, man. We're going to take that for a spin. God forbid something happens. This is a record of our trip. And we wish everybody to know, Mum, everybody. I better not say all of that stuff, man. I don't want to tempt fate. No, I'm joking. But it's, oh, the peaks are getting closer. Ready? Just walk around the plane. Innit? Look. You're not going to get run over, are you? You're not going to get run over. Well, I think the copper said, yeah, just go that way. He's there, all right, good as gold. Yo, blood. Arrival lounge, that way. Buckleberry Ferry, that way.